Alrighty guys, I have found another elevator here. We're gonna take a ride on this one.
Going down.
Shit, this one's loud. This was also a Dover. Got mine by ThyssenKrupp. I thought this was the service car.
Going up.
Here.
The 11th floor.
Yeah, look at that. I'm sure if the camera's picking it up or not.
Going down.
That button was acting weird.
Parking.
That's it, parking. The other elevator is at pool.
Going up.
And a weird custom voice on it. I do like it. Pretty nice cab. Hi. Ignore my messy hair. I've been wearing a beanie all day today. Well, I mean the majority of the day, because the weather gods decided
11th floor.
to make it cold while I'm in Texas.
Going down.
No, lobby. I did not mean parking.
Lobby. Going down.
That door is weird. Okay. I did this in the downstairs because stupid brain me push park instead of lobby. But anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.